white piano, but I got this. It's the big piano. Come and look. It's called Yamaha, and I got it's kind of a big piano, but I will sell the table. I'm back here like last time that I showed the piano. So okay, you are interesting because why I'm holding a spoon? Because this is spoon when you bang. Daddy, come and help me too. And don't forget your grown-up to help you, like Daddy and your mommy. And here we got it. First what we need, because we need the spoon that I told you, and serving of glass. It's kind of a bottle of glass. A spoon, and you know why I'm holding spoon, because it's bent. But this is also the same sound, right, guys? And so we need water to add together.
Okay.
Now a gallon of water. I'll show you how much. Oh my God, that is. Oh, okay. It's a red bottle. That is helping me now. If you want food coloring, you can put food coloring in. Guys. Oh.
Okay, the next one.
Here comes the next cup. Listen! Listen, it looks like a xylophone. Finish my piano and I will let you listen to stuff. And I will sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And read. Done. Done, guys, and also please subscribe this video. Please leave me the comments below too if you want more like this Instagram video, and smash that like button. Bye.